Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my channel for the first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button just below this video, click it and turn on the notification bell and select all so that you don't miss any new updates. Now let's get started. For our first hairstyle, first we have to take side partition. You can take right or left, whichever suits your face. Now separate the front section of your hair like so from the side partition. Take this section of hair backwards and comb it out neatly and then make a twist, make an inward twist. Make sure that it is nice and tight. Pull some hair in the front just to give some volume and then you can secure it behind your ears using a small catch clip or bobby pins. Now just repeat the same step. You can have your hair loose like this, or you can also tie it in a ponytail. If you have very long hair, I usually go for a ponytail, or I will also do a 3-strand or a fishtail braid, which is more comfortable for me. And now moving on to our second hairstyle. For this you have to take a middle partition. Now separate front section of hair, both the sides, like this. Also guys, please ignore my tired face. I just came back from work and I'm extremely tired. But I wanted to film this video for a long time, so yeah, I did. Now divide this one section of hair into 2 equal sections and take it backwards and make a tight twist like how we did for our before hairstyle. And secure it using a bobby pin or a tic tac pin. And I'm going to repeat the same step for all the sections. And of course you can leave it loose, or you can tie a ponytail, or you can also do a 3-strand or a fishtail braid. It's suitable for everyday simple hairstyle. It looks you have put in a lot of effort, but it's very simple, and yeah, it goes well with any ethnic wear. And for our next hairstyle, again I'm going to do a side partition and separate the front section of hair. Now take this front section of hair backwards, comb it out neatly and using a small elastic I'm going to secure it. Now make a hole like this and pull the ponytail through it so that it creates a nice twist like this. And you can just make it tight so that it is nice and secure. Also, you can use a small bobby pin to secure it in place, and you can do a side low ponytail, or you can also do a side 3-strand braid, which will also look good with this hairstyle. Whenever I do this hairstyle, someone will definitely ask me how I did this. It looks so good in real. It looks very different also, so do try this. And lastly, my favorite hairstyle, which I do most of the time, you have to section your crown part like this and smooth it out. Now just hold the section of hair like so and push a little bit in the front. It will create a poof like this. When you try for the first time, you may not get it perfectly, but with practice definitely you can. And now I'm going to divide a small section of hair on both sides, and I'm going to take it backwards and make a twist and secure it using a bobby pin, or a small catch clip will also do. I really like this hairstyle. I feel it suits my face better. Let me know in the comment section which hairstyle suits me. And I hope you like this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you. Do let me know if you want to watch more hair tutorials like this, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the subscribe button just below this video. Click it and turn on the notification bell and select all so that you'll be notified of my further videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care guys. Bye.